Probably I gave an example. Everybody knows a dash cam, right? In your car, you have the dash cam. And if you have a crash or some vibration or somebody wants to steal something out of it, the dash cam is having a trigger. So in terms of the machine, you have, for example, a quality index that's dropping, which could be the trigger. Or you could have, for example, just like the machine stop, which is also then the trigger. And you're recording data and video before the trigger constantly, and also after the event occurred. So you have your data set, your video data basically already in place, so you can start analyzing right away.
Just to make sure, it seems the video stream and the code of the machine, so like PLC program and so on, those things are synchronized, so you don't have to search in like those two places in parallel. They are synchronized so that you know exactly what happened in the PLC when the error happened.
Yes.
Okay.
And I think also what is very important is that if you think about not only the one machine, but also one line, at the end, maybe you have the error, but it was created much earlier before in a previous process. So that means you have to go through a very long video, for example, like 5 or 10 minutes. But with our AI technology that can analyze the video, we directly give you the exact position or back in the time. You can just go back and just pick out this data set there. You already know the quality drop was exactly this process, so you can start analyzing right away and anywhere in the world, basically. Maybe one point that I also want to add is that for the OEM, obviously, this solution gives you a very high OEE, the maximum possible OEE, but it also creates an opportunity that for an like a OEM, for example, you can have an additional revenue stream. So you can spec in this machine surveillance, and you can enable 24/7 support for your customer, for example. So they feel very safe in terms of breakdown of the machine. Also for SIs and so on, there's many ways to utilize machine surveillance. And I think also you know already maybe many other opportunities how to use it and utilize it. So I would also like to get in contact with me or also with your other Mitsubishi representatives that you already know. And I'm happy to discuss about this topic as well later on.